Hello, boys and girls. We're going to practice some sounds this morning. Let's see what we can remember. Can you do the sounds and the actions for me, please? Here we go. Ah, 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 ah. T, t, t. It, 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 it. Mm. D, d, d. Eh, eh, eh. K, k, k. And another one. K, k, k. Next one. B, b, b. Next one. Next one. J, 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 j. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Get. Next one. Yeah. Ooh. Mm. Oh. Mm. Oh, well done if you remembered those, boys and girls. Now we're going to practice some of the sounds. I have two letters that make one sound. Here we go. Let's see what we can remember. My favourite. Remember those naughty clowns? Sometimes it says, stick your tongue out. Don't use your voice. And this time, stick your tongue out and use your voice. Next one. E, wait for it. O. Next one. Oh. O. A. Oops. A. Ah. Ow. Oi. Right, last time we had a look at this sound. Usually it says yeah. But do you remember sometimes it says aye. And this one says aye. And this one doesn't say it says aye. Right then, boys and girls, we know this sound. This one says just like a mixer, but also can be spelt like that. That also says So you can have and Right, let's see if we can do some reading now then. We're going to blend some sounds together to make some words. Here we go. Let's look at the sound buttons. 1, 2. Let's say in the right order. Fur. My cat's got lots of black fur. Next one, let's count how many sound buttons. 1, 2, 3. Curl. Come on, hair, it's time to curl. I think I need to go to the hairdressers, boys and girls. Next one, here we go. How many sound buttons? 3. 1, 2, 3. Burn. I hope it didn't burn in all that sun yesterday. All right then, we've got this. We've got 2 sound buttons. Now this one is nearly the same, but it's got 3 sound buttons. So that says we just read, and now we've got a b at the end. Herb. Now a herb, in case you didn't know, is a plant that you can put in food and make it taste nice. Last one, here we go. This time we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sound buttons. And if you look at the letters in the middle, you've got 2 guts. We don't say gut. So 1 sound button for the gut. Here we go then. Digger. There's a digger outside my house right at the moment, digging up somebody's garden. Okay, right then this week, what I want you to do, boys and girls, is sort those sounds. Everybody does the green. Do the orange if you can manage it. And if you need a real challenge, do the red. Bye. Have fun.